The Molina on the package. Damn. Molina is a perfume place for when.
What you wanted, Mama.
That's gonna make me cry.
Mama, say what you wanted.
Baby, look what's gonna make me cry. You guys. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. See, I'm still in bed and look what's on my head. Oh, it's falling. Look what's on my head. My son came and he put this crown on my head and he said, Mama, I'm putting this crown on your head because you're the queen for today. Because today's Mother's Day in France.
And you know what?
What? Can you say hello to the thing?
What one? Mama?
Mm-hmm.
You're sure you don't want to see them now?
You have joy. He said you have joy in his tummy.
You sure you don't want to see them now?
Okay, you can go for them.
Okay.
I want my crown. Come back on my head. Give me the crown.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
what do you want to see first?
Anything.
Love, flowers, clothes, or countries?
Anything you choose.
No, you choose because you're the queen.
Okay, love. Always choose love. Mama, je t'aime. Mama, I love you. So he wrote it in French and English.
Yeah.
Then him say, Les amours. That's what he wrote?
Yeah.
The love. Then he say, Mon cœur est à 3000
Oui.
et je suis très contente. He said, my heart is at 3000 and I am very happy. Me love me one boy.
Which one you want to
Wait,
see
let me
now?
show Faves. So you guys, that's what it looks like.
What do you want to see now?
I want to see clothes.
Clothes.
He asked me yesterday about what I prefer, so I know he was up to something. This one says les habits, mean the clothes. So it have a shirt, shorts, sunglasses, a hat, and what's these other two things?
This?
Yes.
Gloves.
Oh, gloves. What's the thing in green?
Let's see.
This.
Shoes.
Shoes. And what's this?
Pants.
Pants. So he got me a whole wardrobe for Mother's Day, you guys. I'm ready, set and ready to go. All right, what else you have?
Flowers and countries.
Flowers. Oh, so he got me flowers. It said la fleur, mean the flowers.
And I could tell you all of the flowers.
Hold on. So he got me a paper with different flowers on there.
Wait, Mama, I could tell.
Okay.
Then you're going to tell the face.
Okay, go ahead. We're seeing.
Sunflower.
Okay.
Rose. Tulip.
Okay.
Jonquille.
Okay.
Marguerite.
Okay.
La violette. Les mimosas.
Okay.
La coquelicot.
Okay.
L'orchidée. La bleuée. L'herbe.
Okay. So he gave me, he drew a pot and put flowers in each of them. Thank you, Ty. I'll be sure to water these flowers and never let them die, okay?
Okay. The last one is countries.
Oh, le pays, c'est the countries. This one c'est la Jamaïque, la France, l'Italie, les États-Unis, la Russie. Same say the countries, Jamaica, France, Italy, USA, and Russia. And you draw the flag of each country and put the name beside it in French.
And there's that,
Big up yourself.
and there's that earth right here.
Okay, and that's Earth right there, you guys. Look at that. Thank you, Ty. That's the best Mother's Day gift ever. Give Mama a hug.
You want me to tell you what you're going to get for breakfast?
No, not yet. I have to go feed your sister. Tell Papa to bring sister bottle come.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Mama,
It's
what do you want for breakfast?
I'll soon tell you. Go tell Papa what I told you first.
Okay.
My boy is something else. Well, he couldn't buy me these, so he draw them. That's the sweetest thing ever. I love him. So it's Mother's Day in France, and as you guys can see, I am still in bed. I just woke up, and I haven't heard Sarah all morning, so I need to go and find her because it's like 1 hour after she would normally wake up. So I'm gonna find her.
Good morning, guys. Sleepy time.
Sleep face.
It's early morning. It's early morning for Sunday.
Normally who would be sleeping? You. Why are you up, sir? Why are you?
Because your son is knocking at the door since 7 a.m.
Because he's excited that it's Mother's Day. He's excited that it's Mother's Day. This boy is something else.
So So this is breakfast.
So where is Sarah on?
Here.
Princess is yummy.
Mama, surprise. First, we are going to see Papa gift.
No, I want your card first.
Why not?
Always start with the cards.
Come, you read it to Mama. Come. Make it more special. Read.
But they can't read here.
What's that?
Because they don't know what is written.
It's just some writing?
Yes.
You just create some things?
Yes, you see mes parents.
Okay, but you have Papa written here.
Huh?
And what's written here? Just some words, some
It
letters?
says
Parfait de paix. The card is written Papa, not for Papa's Day. Not Papa's Day. Come, Ty. Come. Ty, come. Oh, it didn't have the Jamaica flag and the French flag beside it. Oh, it says best M. You wanted to say best mom?
Yes.
I love you, Jamaican. Then they have another Jamaican flag that says, Je mama, I love you, mama. And it have a poem that says, Bon fête, mama, happy Mother's Day. Alright, read the poem.
Si j'étais une fleur, je t'offrirais le bonheur de mon cœur. Si j'étais un oiseau, je t'emmènerais au-dessus de l'eau. Si j'étais un bateau, je te ferais voguer sur l'eau. Si j'étais un parfum, je t'embaumerais tous les matins. Si j'étais un perroquet, je te ferais un bouquet avec mes plumes colorées. Mais je ne suis qu'un enfant. Et je t'ai fait un poème pour te dire que je t'aime.
Oh, je t'aime aussi. Thank you, Tai Tai. I love you. And the back of it says, Mama, Papa, with lots of question sign up on top of Papa. Then it say, I love you. Boy, you do Papa ball on this card. Thanks, Tata. I love you, baby.
And you're happy that I chose yellow?
Yeah, it's perfect. Is you cut the card?
Yes.
Thank you. So what's this now?
A package thing. What is
Semolina on the package! Them! Molina is a perfume place for when?
You get that perfume? It's the one you wanted, Mama.
That's gonna make me cry.
Mama, it's the one you wanted.
Baby, look what's gonna make me cry.
Mama, it's the one you wanted.
Yes, it's the one I wanted at the store.
Yeah. You should be happy and not cry.
What is happy tears? It's not sad tears.
Oh.
Babe, come here. Baby. Oh my God, babe, where did you find these? Baby.
Where's this skunk going?
Thank you, honey. Baby, come here now.
Papa, just go to Mama. She's the queen.
Happy Mother's Day.
You're a little trickster. Thank you, honey.
Hope you enjoy your gift.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Thank you, babe.
So it's your best day ever?
High five.
Uh,
You did good. Baby!
You like
Where
it?
you find it?
You like it?
I love it. Where you find it?
Do I ask you when you get me something? Where did you get it?
You guys! Yo! Why did you sneak this in the house?
Huh?
Why did you sneak this in the house? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy! Oh my God! Me not sure today.
yes.
Oh, baby, you smell that? Oh, can I smell this? Oh my God! I think this is the first perfume I have that I'm not gonna go. Psh, 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 that I'm just gonna go. Psh. Oh my, baby, smell that.
That's enough. You don't need.
Jesus. Well, so I guess it's cheap perfume. We go pum 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 pum.
No.
And the expensive one we gonna go
When
pum
you have
pum.
Chanel, you still go boom, 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 boom.
But you don't strong like this.
Wow.
Jesus. Oh my God. Thank you, babe.
Ah, welcome.
That's a pleasant surprise. I was not expecting that.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's a pleasant surprise. Appreciate it. You make me cry. Well, that's good for starters. No, my day feels good. Thank you guys for the breakfast. But me go keep some of your egg because we Sarah some of mine.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna enjoy breakfast.
Oh God.
She's thinking you're over there. Sarah.
Shall I went to you? Shall I went to you? I don't know if she went to you or she went from a brother.
Yes, she won from me.
What are you doing to her?
Exactly. Look what I was doing. Sarah. Philadelphia. 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 Philadelphia.
You guys, they reprimand me to stay in my room and Tyler say I'm not to come out for the rest of the day. I'm not to do anything in the house. And to stay here. So you're asking me, what do you want, Mama? What should I give you for you not to come out? I'm here working. You guys, my babies took me out. Hi, babies.
Let's check in something.
Hi.
Enjoy your day?
I'm having a good day. I'm having a good day. So we're at one of my favorite restaurants. We're at Sushi Planet. You guys know that's my stop. In any case, you want to make me happy, give me sushi, honey child. So we're at Sushi Stop. Look at Sarah.
Mama, happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, baby.
This is your best day ever with the perfume.
I love it.
Oh, last day. Your
What?
best
It's okay, it's okay. I'll take
day
it.
ever. Life.
We seen your food. Alone, we see your food.
You're good, Sarah. You're sitting like a princess.
Guys, our food is here. Look at my sushi. Oh my god. Delicious. So that's mine. We messy. Shrimp. That one is for babe. That looks so good, babe. Favorite, that cheesy one. Yes, baby, into it. And try it. It's having chicken and rice. You see me? Sarah is drinking her cappuccino and already had her dinner. But of course she's gonna eat a little bit of everything. But yeah, that's it. What a guan, my yacht.
You had a good day?
I had a wonderful, wonderful day.
Right, I just...
I'm going to have to find a way to top this come Father's Day, okay?
Oh no,
I'm
that's
gonna
not a
have to
competition.
No, it's not a competition, but I'm just saying you did very good.
I can just rub my foot on Father's Day and I'll be happy.
Just like I said, I just want flowers and I'll be happy.
You get a perfume and you get a restaurant and you get food and happiness
I got
today.
cheesecake, you guys. I got all my favorite things. I had a wonderful day from start to finish, and right now I'm just gonna crash right here where I am. The day was just amazing. Thank you, honey.
We have a
You
good
did
weekend. Thank you.
You
So,
did good.
what you want to say? You want to say happy Mother's Day
To
to
all the
mothers,
French mamas.
all of the
Bon,
mothers
joyeux-
in the
jo-
world.
jo-
Oh yeah, because it's
Joyeuse
only
fête des mères.
France. Joyeuse fête des mères for the
Joyeuse fête des mères.
everybody that was celebrating on this day, and for everybody else. I mean, happy Mother's Day.
You guys getting more Mother's Day love, not just on this Jamaica Mother's Day, but on the French Mother's Day. We guys not gonna stay long with you right now because we are tired. We are
Shutting down.
I'm shutting down.
I'm gonna plug it out.
So thank you guys again for all the love that you guys will be sending me. Appreciate it. And the boys checked out Ever Stop. They did good. They did good. Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fandom, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
This year was nice tonight.
I'm waiting for you to freeze. What you mean you were nice tonight?
It was nice.
Tonight is the only night you didn't give any trouble. What, because it's Mother's Day?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll take it. No, but we like when you're
Mother's
not being
Day.
nice. So yeah, give me one little break just for tonight.
Yes.
Alright, I'll take it. Goodbye.